Do you know what one of the biggest differences is between electric cars, EVs, and internal combustion engine vehicles, ICE? For a long time, we thought that upgrading a gasoline-powered car was just a matter of adding new technology, modern features, or improving the design. But with electric cars, it's a different story. It's not just about improving the car. You also need to improve the battery. And that's a game changer. For this reason, there is a constant effort in the development of batteries for electric vehicles, seeking more efficient and affordable solutions. Tesla, for example, took about 3 years from the announcement to the production of its 4680 battery, considered one of the most advanced in the world to date. However, Tesla's main competitor is not standing still. BYD is already preparing to launch a new electric model in June, equipped with a revolutionary battery that promises a full recharge in just 5 minutes. What's more, the company claims that this battery could set a new safety standard for EVs. It has already undergone extreme tests. It has been crushed, bent, heated to 300 degrees C and even overloaded by 260%. And still, it has not caught fire or exploded. Amazing, right? But what kind of battery is this? And how does it compare to Tesla's 4680? Let's find out. While Tesla has always been the leader in the electric vehicle industry, BYD has recently started to gain ground. In 2024, BYD had revenues of $17 billion and sold 4.27 million vehicles, including all electric and hybrid models. In the same period, Tesla generated $97.7 billion in revenue, but sold only 1.79 million cars. In other words, BYD is outperforming Tesla on several fronts, and that's something we can't ignore. In our view, BYD's next-generation Blade battery is set to make a big impact when it launches with the brand's next model. You may have heard of the Blade battery before. In fact, some Model Ys in Europe use this technology. It's a lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery, developed specifically for EVs. It's known for its safety, stability, and long lifespan. First launched in 2020, it's now found in most BYD vehicles and has undergone rigorous real-world testing. The name Blade comes from the elongated and thin shape of the battery cells. The structure is cell-to-pack without traditional modules, which significantly increases space utilization, reduces the weight and thickness of the system, and offers more interior space for the car's occupants. And all this without compromising safety and thermal performance. However, it is true that the first generation of Blade did not impress as much in terms of performance. Its energy density was 140 W, and the recharge time still varied between 20 and 30 minutes. Now the scenario is different. The new version of the Blade battery represents a significant step forward. For the first time, it is beginning to appear feasible to charge an electric car as quickly as it would fill up a gasoline-powered car. And these results aren't just in the lab. Tests are already underway in real vehicles. According to initial data, BYD's new battery offers up to 30% more energy efficiency compared to previous models, which means greater autonomy and lower electricity consumption. Its energy density can reach 190 Wh, a significant leap compared to the previous generation. But the most impressive thing is that this isn't just a simple improvement. The BYD team has completely revamped the battery's chemistry and design to enable ultra-fast charging, increased range, longer lifespan, and, at the same time, reduced costs. And the most amazing part is yet to come. BYD's new generation Blade battery will initially be incorporated into 2 models that are expected to hit the market with eye-popping prices, around $37,260 and $38,600. Yes, you heard that right. These electric vehicles will be more affordable than Tesla's Model 3, which is currently the company's cheapest car. The truth is that many expected such an advanced technological innovation to cost a fortune, perhaps reserved only for luxury vehicles priced above $100,000. That would be a logical path. But by announcing this type of technology in cars within this price range, BYD took everyone by surprise. The first models to feature the new ultra-fast battery will be the Han EV sedan and the Tang SUV. Both promise a performance of up to 1,086 horsepower. While this figure is not that impressive in the high-performance segment, when you consider the cost, it is simply extraordinary. Wang Chuanfu, founder of BYD, said the new generation of Blade battery pack features a smaller, lighter battery pack that consumes less energy per 100 kWh while maintaining the same battery life as the previous version. This represents a breakthrough not only in energy density, but also in space efficiency, weight, and battery power. To make things easier to understand, BYD itself announced that the tests demonstrated a recharging capacity that can add around 470 kilometers, or 292 miles, of autonomy in just 5 minutes. In top-of-the-line versions, the cars will be compatible with powers of up to 1 megawatt, MW, the equivalent of 10C or 1,000 kWh, which practically eliminates any concerns about recharging time. This means that the vehicle can be fully charged in around 6 minutes, adding 2 kilometers of range for every second of charging. Such a feat, however, requires a charger capable of delivering extremely high levels of voltage and electrical current at the same time, and that is precisely where the challenge lies. Such high currents tend to generate excessive heat, which can damage the battery. To deal with this, BYD optimized the battery's internal resistance, making this recharge rate possible without compromising safety. In addition, it was necessary to develop a new generation of silicon carbide-based power chips, suitable for handling such high voltages. But why does BYD claim the Blade battery will set a new safety standard for electric vehicles? As demonstrated in previous tests, this battery has undergone extreme tests. It has been crushed, bent, and even punctured, and yet it has not caught fire. During all tests, the surface temperature has remained between 30 degrees C and 60 degrees C. This is in stark contrast to traditional cylindrical batteries. The Blade uses a stacked layer structure, which ensures more even current distribution, better heat dissipation, and greater efficiency in high-power discharges. These features result in a safer, more durable, and better performing battery. To give you an idea, the auto-ignition temperature of NMC, nickel, manganese, and cobalt cells, is around 200 degrees C. When this point is reached, the internal materials begin to melt and can ignite, causing explosions. The new Blade battery has an auto-ignition temperature between 500 degrees C and 800 degrees C, which represents a giant leap forward in safety. Additionally, this battery is coated with a high-temperature resistant ceramic layer, offering additional thermal insulation to the most sensitive components. In terms of lifespan, conventional LFP or NMC batteries, which are widely used in China, typically last around 3,000 cycles in laboratory tests and around 2,000 cycles in real-world conditions. The new Blade, with its large cell stacking technology and ceramic coating, can exceed 5,000 cycles with less than 20% capacity loss after that. This means it can last up to 3 times longer than NMC batteries, easily reaching between 500,000 and 1 million kilometers. Let's take a closer look at how BYD's Blade battery compares to Tesla's 4680 cells. When it comes to energy density, Tesla's 4680 battery comes out on top. It can reach up to 300 Wh per kilogram, while BYD's Blade battery maxes out at 190 Wh. In practice, this means that Tesla's battery can store more energy for less weight, something that's especially crucial in vehicles like the Cybertruck, which is already heavy due to its stainless steel frame. The 4680 therefore contributes to a longer range and helps keep weight under control, improving the vehicle's overall performance without sacrificing technology. But not everything is a win-win situation for Tesla. When it comes to safety and durability, the Blade battery shows its strength. It was designed to withstand extreme conditions and has a much longer lifespan, making it ideal for vehicles that require extended endurance. The Tesla 4680 is excellent for maximizing performance and autonomy, while the Blade stands out for its robustness and reliability. These are different proposals, which serve different audiences and applications. When it comes to charging time, the advantage is different. BYD's Blade battery offers incredibly fast charging. According to current tests, it can add up to 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. In comparison, the Cybertruck with the 4680 battery takes about 30 to 35 minutes to go from 10% to 80% charge, a considerable difference. While this is a reasonable amount of time, it still doesn't come close to the impressive performance of the Blade battery. When it comes to safety, both batteries promise high standards. While the 4680 hasn't been subjected to as many extreme tests as the Blade, its internal tabless design and advanced thermal control mean it can handle tough conditions well. This is evident when you see that even after several accidents involving the Cybertruck, there have been no reports of fires or explosions involving the 4680. Another important point is cost and production. The two technologies have different proposals. While the 4680 focuses on delivering greater autonomy, the Blade bets on ultra-fast charging and enhanced safety. In other words, Tesla aims to go further, while BYD wants you to spend less time waiting. For years, Tesla has led the electric vehicle market with cutting-edge innovation and design. However, the landscape has changed. Today, competitors are more prepared and capable of offering technologies that surpass or match Tesla's standards. For example, while the Model Y remains a huge success and the best-selling SUV in the world, that doesn't guarantee its future leadership, especially when you consider that it still uses conventional LFP batteries, not the new 4680s. What was once revolutionary is now at risk of becoming obsolete in the face of the competition's advances. On the other hand, we have the BYD Han L, a sedan similar in size to the Tesla Model S, measuring around 5 meters long and with a 3-meter wheelbase, offering plenty of interior space. The big highlight is its 1,000-volt platform, the most powerful in the world today. Equipped with the new Blade battery, the standard model comes with an 83.2 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery and can reach up to 701 km of autonomy according to Chinese standards, or around 580 kilometers in international WLTP tests. And the most impressive thing? With 10C fast charging, BYD claims it is possible to recover 400 km of autonomy in just 5 minutes, almost the same pace as a combustion car. The Tang L, the SUV version of the Han L, has the same dimensions, but with 7 seats and more interior space. It is currently the electric car with the fastest recharge in the world, and its interior finish reflects the sophistication of a luxury model. Visually, it is a spectacle inside, and the quality is impressive. Bottom line, while Tesla still offers top-notch performance in range and energy density with its 4680 battery, BYD has been surprising with advances in charging speed, durability, and safety. And from what we're seeing, this competition is just beginning. BYD has shown remarkable effort in developing its new platform, and it is very likely that we will see several new models from the brand using this technological base. Even more relevant is the fact that the company is betting heavily on an evolved version of its already known Blade battery. Now there are 2 variants, one aimed at ultra-fast recharging, already present in current models, and another with much higher energy density, designed to achieve extended autonomy. In the case of the high-density version, the promise is bold, enabling all electric vehicles to exceed 1,000 kilometers of range on a single charge, taking the performance of LFP batteries to a new level. Imagine the scene. You stop for a few minutes at a charging station and emerge with a fully charged battery, ready to drive further than most electric cars available today. It sounds like science fiction, but this is exactly the direction that technology is heading. Of course, innovations of this magnitude always face initial obstacles. Analysts point out that the biggest challenge for the new Blade battery is cost. As with any new technology, production costs rise at the beginning, which can impact the final value of the vehicles. Although charging speed is an attraction for drivers concerned about range, there is another delicate point: the cost of energy. Super-fast charging requires more energy in less time, which means more robust and expensive electrical infrastructure. This includes high-power connections to the grid, which drives up the price of ultra-fast charging stations. In addition, there are still questions about how this type of charging affects battery life. We already know that with current technology, frequent use of fast charging can accelerate battery degradation and reduce the overall lifespan of the system. So while this new generation of batteries is promising, it's unlikely to see widespread adoption anytime soon. Premium manufacturers will struggle to catch up with BYD in this regard, while the mass market will continue to focus on making batteries cheaper rather than the latest in high-end technology. It's worth noting that many drivers rely on home chargers and rarely use public stations, usually only on longer journeys, taking advantage of reduced rates during the early morning hours. But the question many are asking is, with the possibility of charging 300 km in just 5 minutes, why would anyone still opt for a combustion car? And although 1,000 kWh chargers are not yet available in all regions, their arrival is near. In Australia, for example, 450 kWh stations are already being installed, and projects to reach 1,000 kWh are underway. Given this, there are legitimate questions about whether Tesla's current 4680 battery architecture can keep up with this new BYD-led advancement. While the 4680 has played an important role in Tesla's success, particularly with the Cybertruck, there is a risk that other models like the Model Y will lose their competitive edge, especially if BYD continues to ramp up its production and innovation. For a long time, Tesla has been ahead of the curve by being a pioneer, but in a market driven by constant evolution, being first is no longer enough. BYD has surpassed Tesla in sales over the past year, and this could be just the beginning of a new era. In short, the big question is no longer whether BYD's battery is superior, but whether Tesla will be agile and visionary enough not to lose its leadership position in an increasingly competitive and dynamic scenario.